So today I'm working on my saturation blanket and I need to do a decrease 5 to 1K. So what I'm going to do is decrease 5 stitches and turn them into 1 stitch. So I've worked to where I'm ready to do this decrease, and I'm going to shift 3 of the stitches over to the right hand needle. Let me find my yarn. Here it is. 1, 2, 3. And these are all, I'm shifting all of these as if to purl. So I'm not twisting the stitch. They'll stay in the same orientation with the right leg forward. So 1, 2, 3. And now I'm going to lift the second stitch up and over and drop it off the needle. This is my center stitch. Shift it back to the left hand needle. Take the second stitch, lift it up and over. Shift the center stitch back to the right hand needle. Lift the stitch up and over. And last time, shift it to the left hand needle, lift it up and over. Now I'm doing a decrease 5 to 1K. So I've decreased 5 to 1. Now I need to knit this stitch. And this is just to maintain the garter column. If it's more comfortable for you to purl that, it's totally fine. It won't be very noticeable in the pattern. But there we have it, a decrease 5 to 1K.